Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I'm Francis Yambao, and I will be presenting the introductory of our project, which is a Stardrop Cafe ordering system. The background of the study is the Stardrop Cafe, known for its cozy atmosphere and quality offerings, aimed to modernize its operations by implementing an automated ordering and billing system. Many small cafes still rely on manual methods prone to errors, inefficiencies, and challenges in adhering to mandated discounts for seniors and persons with disabilities, or PWDs. The proposed system will streamline operations through features such as automated order management, reduces error in speeding up processing, discount calculation, ensures compliance with legal requirements for PWD and senior citizen discounts, receipt printing, produces detailed itemized receipts for clarity, user-friendly interface, simplifies use with minimal training. This solution aims to enhance efficiency, ensure regulatory compliance, and foster customer satisfaction, positioning Stardrop Cafe as a leader in operational excellence. The project objectives of the Stardrop Cafe ordering system aims to develop a user-friendly, efficient solution tailored to enhance service quality and operational efficiency while ensuring compliance with legal requirements. This specific objective includes automated ordering system, enable accurate and efficient order management, minimize human errors in processing orders and payments, discount management, which is automatically calculate and apply senior citizen and PWD discounts, and ensure transparent verification of discount eligibility. Receipt printing, generate detailed professional receipt with itemized purchase, discounts, and totals. Operational efficiency, reduce order processing time with an intuitive system, streamline communication between front of house and kitchen staff. Next, usability and accessibility. Provide a simple interface requiring minimal training, accommodate staff with varying technical expertise. This system aims to optimize operations, enhance compliance, and improve customer satisfaction. The significance of the study for research and developers is to practice practical application of technology. Hold on, restart. 3, 2, 1. The significance of the study for researchers and developers. Practical application of technology. Provide an opportunity to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios by developing a functional and efficient ordering system. Demonstrates the integration of multiple features such as discount management, receipt generation, and user-friendly interfaces, which are critical in modern design. For future researchers, resources for related studies serves as a reference material for future researchers aiming to study or improve similar systems in other business contexts, provides documentation of the methodologies and challenges encountered during the system development process, serving as a learning resource. The scope of, of the ordering system provides an interface for staff to input customer orders with options for modifying or canceling items as needed. Discount management automatically calculates and applies discount for senior citizen and persons with disabilities, adhering to local legal requirements. Receipt printing. Generate detailed receipts that include itemized orders, discount, taxes, and the total amount. User interface. Offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface designed for minimal training requirements. Nextly, the limitations of the project is business size. The system is specifically designed for single-location cafe and does not account for multi-branch operations or franchise-wide implementations. Online integration. This project does not include features for online ordering, delivery, or integrations with third-party food delivery platforms. Inventory management. The system does not include inventory tracking or management functionalities. This focus is solely on the ordering and billing processes. Hardware limitations. The study assumes the availability of basic hardware such as computer or tablet and receipt printer. Hardware acquisitions and maintenance are beyond the project scopes. And that will be all for the introduction uh, of the project. And now I'll move on to the next presenters. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. We are Group 1 and we are here to present our system called Stardrop Cafe, an ordering system. First, let's start off with Jandel explaining the menu.
So, for me to explain the menu, I need to show that first we use the J spinner for each menu item, as that allows users to select the quantity they wish to purchase. The next is the checkboxes. I use checkboxes for optional selections related to each menu item. After that, I did the total calculation, which I used the method data to calculate the total cost based on selected quantities.
Next up is Dan explaining the discount button.
Now moving on, as you can see the there is a for PWD button. Now how it functions is just like the total button right here. The only difference is it calculates for the discount, which is 20% off. So let's first select the products from the here and click add here. And what I'm gonna, as you can see here, this displays the discounted total, which is 7.2. Now, if we click this, it just prints the receipt, but the only difference is it displays the discounted total. And moving on, Russ will explain the how the receipt button works. Take it away, Russ.
Okay, when we click the receipt button, it shows you a pop-up window that you can select to print the receipt into a PDF file. And then when we open the PDF file, as you can see here, it is transformed into a PDF file that you can print using a printer directly. And let's move on to Jandel furthermore explaining the system.
Thank you for that. Next, we have the reset button. The reset button clears all the selection and resets the values to their default, which is 0. The last one that we have is a quantity validation. It's a method that ensures that the users cannot proceed with an order if the selected quantity is 0. That is all for our report. Thank you very much.
And that concludes our presentation for Stardrop Cafe operating system. Thank you.